Hey guys, it's me, Boss Guy 25DD here. Welcome back to another video. And today, going to be playing another episode of Merlyn's Adventure in Terraria 1.3.5 modded. So I actually went down into the underworld and I got a Hellforge. I got a bunch of other stuff, like just a bunch of other things I just wanted to show. Got a bunch of Hellstone and Obsidian. I got the Depth Diver's helmet, as you guys saw me get all that black stuff. Let's make some Hellstone. 7 bars. Whoa. It's barely any damage. Whoa. It's barely any damage. Okay, imp staff. I meant to get that imp staff. Obsidian ingot. What does this do? First time I get something that I actually want. I want to be prepared for hard mode. That's 20 as well. I think I have a good enough weapon. Not the most experienced one. Molten pickaxe. And I still can? Oh! Some material stuff. I don't want to go back. Molten Fury. No. It's not as good as this. Well, it's better than the let's get this. Listen that. Oh yeah, I also have some shadow skills though. The painter has been around. My name is Stan. I am a man. Oh, I also found the Tower of Keep. I don't like this. Oh, it looks disgusting. I think wearing the oven. It's cooler. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! There we go. Everything's excuse me. Oh yeah, I have a door. Wait. Got some magma slabs, which is pretty sweet. Yes. Oh, it makes arrows blaze. Sets arrows blaze, which is pretty cool. Oh! I accidentally hit a guy. If you guys enjoy this, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If not, I don't know what you're gonna do. Maybe you can beat the Lorax and let it die. Let it die, let it show up and die. Okay, so we need to get some stuff. Molten Fury. Actually, I wanna go to this side of the ocean because there is this I want to explore, the sand biome. Going. I can't hit any of them. Well, I have. Yeah, also material. Isn't there material for that other bow? The one that's basically the nice edge of bows that they put in, and I'm pretty sure Calamity or Thorium mod, because those are like the 2 mods I have. I don't even need this Darth Sight anymore. These are like my best ones: the Warblade, this Magic Conch, and the Molten Fury. I also have the Ghost Rod, which I don't think it works because you need. Oh, you need that first to beat it once or twice. I'm pretty sure. Once. I was dodging everything. Die. Is this thing like unbeatable or something? Oh gosh. Oh, in jellyfish necklace. I have flying abilities that are really good. Gosh. I say let it die in a fire, in a fire. We say let it die in a fire. I didn't explore the jungle much. I've just been mining and stuff. That looked pretty cool. Let's put this here. Okay. That's good. See my time. Okay. Yikes. Oh, I feel so powerful now. I have post, like this stuff is very good. I haven't fought Skeletron yet. I should do that. Let me get some stuff in the dungeon. Yeah, let's do that today. It's not good. What I thought it looked like. Yeah, we're gonna leave the dungeon. We're gonna fight Skeletron. I'll wait until night, and we'll be back. Okay, so guys, it's almost nighttime, and I'm talking to this guy. I cannot let you enter until you free me from my verse. Come back. He's not your master. He's thinking. He's controlling you, Clothier. You can fight this. Ah! Ah! But yeah, this is a pretty good bow, I think. This thing is okay. Black Mamba. Okay. It's almost nighttime. Okay, so we're back again. It's almost nighttime, I'm quite sure of that. Okay, it's nighttime now. I'll go rub his hands. One hand down. Okay, so we're gonna get Skeletron. Do I have any shine potions? No. Let's see if I can find a lot of those. This. Oh, that's nice. Right. Down again. Ooh. Ooh. Really want that. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I have this one. Um, okay, this is very good. Really nice. That is all for this time, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye. Ooh. I cannot stop it. I'm in the middle of dying. But to die. I'm probably not gonna die, but yeah, bye guys.